Angelica Turner here with Elizabeth Craft Designs. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to assemble this MDF floral base. It's a 3D base, item number W0002, part of my Bohemian Rose collection. So this is how you will get it in the packaging. You have all your pieces to create the box and then the base on the for the front and back. So when you get it, you're just going to kind of get it, snap it out of the panel. So they all actually fall fairly easy out of the panel. Some of them, especially the smaller pieces, are a little tight in there, and this is what you end up with. So here are our pieces. This is our front and back for the base. These are actually go on here to add a little bit more detail. And then these are the box themselves, the bottom, sides, and sides. So to make this, couple of tips before you start assembling it is if you want to paint it, you want to go ahead and do all the painted beforehand, especially the inside of the box. If you don't want just the brown color, if you wanted a specific color, you probably it's easier to paint everything before you assemble it. What I usually do is I just paint the whole thing completely and then assemble it. If you want to also cover it with decorative paper, it's easier for me to cover everything with paper beforehand and then assemble it. So for the paper, when I'm covering it, what I do is I cut the square, that rectangle here. I don't bother about covering the little tabs right here, because these are going to be completely covered like that. See how they completely get covered when you assemble it. So all I do is measure this rectangle, and that's what I cover with paper, and I don't bother to include the measurement for the tabs on any side. So that's another thing you want to keep in mind. If you want to decorate it, it's easier to decorate it before you assemble the whole thing. To glue it, I'm just using white quick drying glue, dries clear. So if you have a little bit that comes out of the tabs, that's okay, it'll dry completely clear. And I think right now, actually, these bottles are the Nobu, but the the Nubo bottles, but I actually have the art glitter dries clear adhesive in here. So that's what I'm using. I do have also some tape just to hold it in place if I need to. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do first, and I'm going to go ahead and um, put together the box itself. So I'm just going to put glue on the tabs. Okay, so you have one, then this one, then this one, and then this one. That creates your box. So your glue, you want all your glue to go in on each one of these little tabs. Okay, and then same thing over here, and then you're going to just kind of put them together like that. And as you can see, a little bit of extra glue, but that is fine. Like I said, that will dry completely clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of set it right there, and I'm going to add glue on the other side, and then glue on these tabs. It looks like it's clogged a little bit. Give me a second. Okay, I think I got it unclogged. Okay, so let's try this again. There we go. Okay, then again, those two kiss with that one. And if they fall over a little bit, that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the fourth side. Like that. Again, glue on all the tabs, and then glue on these, the inside of these tabs as well. Like that. And then we're going to slide that one right into place. So now the little box kind of holds itself together. And this is our bottom of the box. Again, glue on all those tabs. Make sure we get all of them. That way we have a nice secure box. And you can use your favorite adhesive. Doesn't have to be this brand, whatever you have handy or you prefer using. And then we have this one, which will go right in there. And I just kind of press it a little bit just to make sure that it is nice and tight. And so here is the part that will hold your little florals. I mean, you can use it like as a decorative little pencil box, brushes, whatever you want. So here's the box. Then we have the front and back of the base of the, yes. So again, I'm just going to put glue on this. And again, these pieces just, you can leave it just plain flat like this, decorated, painted. You can put these in again. If you wanna decorate all of this with paper or paint, it's easier for me to do it beforehand. Um, so I will cover this with paper, cover each individual piece with paper, and then assemble everything once it's either all painted or decorated. For this particular video, it's all clean material because I'm concentrating on the assembly and what each little piece is for. And then we'll have tutorials on and samples on how to decorate them later on. So here is the top and bottom. Again, you can use your favorite adhesive. I like this one because it's quick drying, it's strong, it dries completely clear. So here are our sides. Now, when you're placing the front and back on the base, so I made them so they fit like this. So if you center it to the base right here, and then flush against the edge, you should have something like that. I mean, you could do this as well if you want to. It'll make it wider. But my design is to fit like this, your little kind of sandwich. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to place adhesive all over the wider face of the box. And actually, you know what? This is the small tip. I'm going to grab the bottle with a larger tip so it's easier. There we go. I'm just going to add glue all over this piece. Okay. And I'm going to just kind of place it centered right here, and then kind of aligned. I'm just setting it on the table so it's flush with the edge of this and the box, so they're all flushed with each other. And then same thing on this side. I'm just going to put my adhesive, cover it completely, and then take my second piece and again kind of center it. You can eyeball it. It's slightly the box is slightly smaller, so you want to center it so you have that little edge on both sides. Again, place it on the table so everything on the bottom is completely flush. And there you have it. And again, this will be completely decorated. By the time you assemble it, you can always assemble it and then paint everything if you want to. And then, you know, do some hand painting or decorations on the front. You can do stamping, mix media on it. I mean, so many options. So here you go. You can put some brushes in there, some little trinkets. So again, you can use it for all your 3D florals. Um, this will be a lot of fun to work with. Thank you very much for joining me. Hope you enjoy it and have fun creating. Bye-bye.